Of course, comfortable ka na sa kasama mo, alam niya na yung mood swings mo, alam niya na yung galaw mo, kung if you're parang comfortable, if you're not. Pero sa amin kasi ni Marco, yung love team naman namin, it doesn't necessarily mean na kaming dalawa lang dapat lagi magtrabaho. Super flexible naman. Like, ako, I'm gonna have a project on my own. He's also gonna have a project on his own. And yung love team, yung mga fans noon, of course, they will support us individually and together. Which, yun naman yung pinakamaganda. Hindi siya nakakasakal na love team. It's more of a supporting love. And if it supports the career of our career, why not? If, you know, in time na pag-isipan namin, you know, maybe we should like try to be solo artist, then I would have, you know, accepted and I would have said yes. And I would have supported Marco still. You know? So, hindi lang siya love team or solo. It can be both, I think.
Siguro, the thing, it's not that love team sells sa Pilipinas. It's more of when you're in a love team, you're able to portray something na makaka-relate yung tao. Kasi lahat naman tayo nagmamahal, di ba? And Filipinos are always full of love. They love watching love movies. They love drama. That's why there's so many drama series sa panghapon, sa panggabi. So it's not about the love team. It's about if you can sell something that people can relate to, then you got it. You know, you gotta bring something real. And I think Kevin and I are good at bringing that. You know,